Hello my dear students, welcome to 𝐼𝐧𝐝 Academy. My dear students, students might be having a lot of queries or what actually the industry wants from a graduate engineer. My dear students, let us discuss what actually required in the industry for the graduate engineers or what industry wants from the graduate engineers. So my dear students, if you are pursuing BTech, the tech itself is a technical part. So you should be very proficient in technical skills. So coming to the technical proficiency, first thing is understanding the engineering fundamentals. My dear students, if you talk about engineering mathematics, you might talk about Laplace transform, Fourier transform, but all these things are applied in signals. If you are a part of VLSI jobs in Intel or applied materials, these concepts will help you a lot. Similarly, in mathematics, plays a very vital role in civil and mechanical also. For example, to find the maximum bending moment, these are some of the applications. So definitely the core knowledge, the fundamentals of the engineering will definitely enhance your skills in the industry. And the second point is specialized knowledge. Now my dear students, we are in the industry where every day requires updating your skills. Suppose if you are in power sector, you are coming with the unmanned aerial vehicles, or you are coming with the where you can use vehicles with the electricity, or if you talk about civil engineering, we are coming across high-rise buildings. So the technology is playing a vital role. So definitely masters in a technical aspects in a particular field will definitely add value addition. Now my dear students, obviously software skills. Now we are in AI, or if you compare artificial intelligence, at least you should be aware how to use the artificial intelligence or how to utilize ChatGPT. If you talk about civil engineering, you should be aware of the softwares like StatPro, ETABS, and if you are from electrical and ECE background, you should be aware of the softwares like MATLAB. And my dear students, in mechanical, ANSYS will plays a very vital role. And in fluid mechanics, if you are very good in Fluent software, these will help you for analysis and research kind of jobs. So these are the most important technical proficiencies which are required for the industry. Now coming to the problem solving skills. My dear students, first one is analytical thinking. So there will not be a proper steps when a problem comes to you. So you should have an analytical skills. See, whatever you learn in the aptitude part, why you require the aptitude skills is how smartly you can solve a problem, how quick you can take the decisions. Definitely analytical skills are required, and these skills will be required in the industry by applying some formulas, or these can be achieved by having a proper guidance and proper learning. Now coming to the innovative mindset. Now my dear students, innovation plays very important role. You name engineering, and in engineering innovation will have value addition, and you will be paid very highly if you have these innovation skills. And how this innovation can be achieved, you should be aware of the current trends, you should be aware of the current softwares and the knowledge what you have learned in your engineering discipline. You should have an application oriented learning. And the most important thing is critical thinking. Critical thinking means which idea has to be implemented or which decision has to be taken. These things also plays a very important role. Now definitely practical experience. My dear students, if you see in the curriculum nowadays, we have internships, or previously we used to have only the project in the final year, but after completing the third year, you are having come up with the internships. So you have to do the internships in the area which you want to grow. That internship will definitely add value addition when you are doing the job. And coming to the project management, definitely my dear students, when you are engaged with engineering discipline with a management course, your resume is highly rated and you will be having a highly paid jobs. Now coming to the lab and field work, especially civil and mechanical guys, if you have aware of the field work, suppose in civil engineering, if you want to know the area of a field, you have to be aware of the total station. You have to know the lab reports. You have to know which test has to be done to understand the bearing capacity of the soil, which test has to be implemented, and how can you judge whether the soil bearing capacity can take the foundation load or not. All these things plays a very vital role. So definitely field experience and lab experience will also plays a vital role. Now my dear students, when I talk about soft skills, remember my dear students, you may be very good in the technical aspects, But if you are not unable to communicate with the colleagues or the co-faculties, or if you are unable to convince the group of people where your idea can be made into an innovation, so definitely soft skills plays a very vital role. Coming to the communication skills, definitely if you see any interview also, tell me about yourself is the common question in any interview. So they test actually the communication skills over there, and definitely teamwork and collaboration. Now my dear students, teamwork is a kind of sense how you collaborate with your colleagues, how you share your knowledge, how you take the help from the other colleagues also, and as a whole, as a team, you stick to your deadlines, you deliver the project with the error free. So these things plays a very vital role as a team, and it requires collaboration, and it should be inculcated into your day-to-day activity. And coming to the leadership and initiative, now my dear students, if you have to grow from manager to senior manager, then CTO, chief technical officer, definitely your leadership qualities will help you. To achieve this leadership, you have to do some projects in your college, or you can organize some cultural activities. In this way, you can build your leadership activities also, my dear students. Now, definitely adaptability and lifelong learning. See, adaptability is something where we have to update ourselves. Continuously, you have to learn something, you have to update yourself with the current trends. And the most important is flexibility. So you have to align with your colleagues, or you have to align your project mates. You have to be done with your deadlines. So this required flexibility, working long hours in the weekends also whenever the project requires, and in the remaining times you can relax with your projects. And now my dear students, industry specific skills. Now when I talk about regulatory knowledge or quality assurance, if you are into the whole industries related to mechanical, your automobile specific knowledge should have. Similarly in civil engineering, you should have specific knowledge on structures. Or if you are into communication, like C. is a public sector company, you should have a proper knowledge on telecommunication. Or if you are having a computer science, you should have a proper knowledge on testing or development or security wise. So all these will definitely help you. So which domain you have chosen, that is also important. Now my dear students, ethics and professionalism. Remember my dear students, always you should be ethical, and you should be maintain your professionalism, and that will help you to grow in the industry. And the most important thing is responsibility. Whatever you do, you should be accountable for it, and this will help you to deliver your projects with error free. Now my dear students, coming to the global perspective. See students, there are projects, there are teams working in Canada, Australia, USA and India. You have to collaborate with all the teams with a cultural guidance. Means you should have their culture, you should have the communication skills, you should have the global exposure, how to convince the client, and which areas you need improvement. You can take the knowledge transfer from them. So in this way, you should have a proper knowledge. And definitely foreign language skills, like suppose if there is a product, in the product you will have different language. Some product can be used only in German language, so you should add a help file considering German language. So in this way you should be showing your innovation skills, how the help file can be converted into German just by changing the strings. So my dear students, all these can be achieved with a experience kind of stuff. And let me tell you my dear students, when I conclude these things, first, when I talk about what industry requires, the first thing is you should be able to upgrade your skills. Continuous learning will always help you. Specialized knowledge in a particular field will help you. And global communication skill, global exposure. And if you are having good communication skills and leadership activities, all these things plays a very vital role, my dear students. And I hope this video will help you what actually industry wants from the students and from the graduate engineers. And remember my dear students, if you are looking for a GATE, because once you have taken the GATE coaching, don't ever think about the about the GATE rank in IITs or NITs. It's all about learning the subject in an application oriented way. Now my dear students, this is our Telegram group. If you want to learn about the PSU job notifications or any detailed notification in the YouTube, you can join this Telegram group, and this group is provided in the description. Now my dear students, we are offering online GATE coaching, offline GATE coaching, and also self-recorded sessions. My dear students, we are offering 800 plus hours of GATE coaching, both in online and offline. And remember my dear students, we are providing a premium product which covers 33 plus years of gate questions, and we are providing video solutions for the difficult level questions with alternative solutions and key pointers. We are also providing the mentorship sessions where the student weakness can be converted into strength. We are providing the doubt solving portal where the doubt can be resolved within 24 hours of time. Apart from this, my dear students, if you want to test yourself at every juncture, you can test yourself. We are providing chapter test, subject test, advanced level test, multiple subject tests, and why not, we are preparing also the all India mock test. You can give this all India mock test which will be replica of the gate environment, and by seeing the results you can analyze yourself. And my dear students, we are providing subject wise material exercise book which contains level 1, level 2, level 3 questions, and these are all our contact numbers. I hope this video will create what exactly the industry wants from the graduate engineers. Thank you and all the best.